I wanted to show you one of my newest listings in Frisco. This is at 8108 Yacht Street, again in Frisco at the Preston Lakes subdivision. So come on in, I want to show you around. Just wait until you see how awesome this first section is. So right here off of the foyer, to your right will be the formal living areas and dining areas. We have this beautiful wood flooring, lots of natural light. And coming out of this, go back across the hallway, and you have your first bedroom. Now this can either be a bedroom or it could be a study. You have these great double French doors. As you come in, you have this nice grand staircase that was just replaced last year. Off to the left, you have a half bath. You come in and you have the second living area. This wall of windows. This leads over to the second dining area. And you can see the laundry room off the back of that. This leads into this beautiful kitchen. They just had this kitchen refinished or remodeled last year, I should say. Look at those gorgeous cabinets. Nice backsplash, beautiful apron sink. At the top of the stairs, if you take a right, you'll see the first of the bedrooms upstairs. There are 3 up here, 1 downstairs. It's bedroom number 1. There's bedroom number 2. You have a bathroom that divides. There's bedroom number 3. And then you have the master. Again, these are hardwood floors. And you have this really great study or extra sitting area. It's huge. Window, step up to the master bedroom. You have, and literally, this is a huge study area, or you can have it as a TV area, sitting area, and then you have this kind of dramatic step up to the master. Isn't that beautiful? Again, another wall of windows. And then you head into the master bath, where you have double sinks, separate shower and tub, garden tub. And you have the master closets in here as well. So let's head on back downstairs. Just to recap, this 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath house is located in the Preston Lakes subdivision of Frisco. Really, really great location. So please come check it out today. Happy house hunting.